Welcome home to this charming 3-bedroom brick ranch nestled on approximately half an acre in Hiddenite. Recent upgrades include new roof, gutters, and main level windows, all replaced in 2022, ensuring both durability and energy efficiency. Vinyl has been installed, minimizing exterior maintenance requirements. Step inside the kitchen to discover beautiful hickory cabinets, complemented by a sleek granite countertop. The kitchen comes fully equipped with appliances including a refrigerator, dishwasher, electric range, and microwave. Throughout the home, new vinyl plank flooring adds a touch of contemporary style and easy maintenance, while the main level bathroom features marble tile flooring. Downstairs, the full unfinished basement provides ample storage space, washer and dryer that convey with the home, and a full bath with block shower, perfect for those yard work days.